everyone, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a few products which I've received from Blue Heaven. I've received this box and there are several products of this brand Blue Heaven. There's a foundation, compact, concealer, lipstick, eyebrow, eyeliner, mascara, etc. for a basic makeup kit they have sent me, and I'm going to show you how these products are and how they work and what is their texture, how is the performance, and if you want to know how these products works, because this is a very pocket friendly brand और बहुत ही अच्छे से बजट में सब कुछ मिल जाता है आपको इस ब्रांड से। और काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने ऑलरेडी ट्राई किए हुए हैं जो अच्छे हैं, कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, तो आपके बजट को, आपके पॉकेट को बहुत अच्छा फायदा होगा अगर ये प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए काम कर गया तो if you want to know how this product works, then please keep watching. I would like to mention one thing, that this is not a makeup tutorial, so do not start spamming in the comment box or torturing me in the comment box that I'm looking white, I'm not looking good, this makeup look is bad, this is there, that is there, because the shade might not be exactly of my skin tone, because I have received this box, I have not purchased it. So yeah, let's just start the review. So one by one I'm just gonna try the products and show it to you. I just wanted to do it in front of you, that's why I'm sitting like this. And there is a bummer. I've received a very lighter shade from my original complexion, and I'm not even in my original complexion. I'm very much tan. I don't know how many percentage I can tell you. I can't even explain it to you. I'm literally dark, and this foundation is very fair. I'm originally also not very fair. I am somewhere around fair and wheatish, in between fair and wheatish. And in that I have received ivory shade, which is vanilla, very fair plus pink. Pink undertone, I am pink undertone, but very fair, no. And on this, I will be looking very grey. So let us see if I like this foundation. I'll grab one darker shade and I can mix it. So let us see the consistency and everything. So yeah. So my face is moisturized, and luckily I have this Blue Heaven's primer. So this didn't come in the box. Let us see how this. I love this primer. First of all, I love this primer. Primer is best in affordable range. You get very light sort of a product. So I'm gonna apply the primer and then the foundation. The first product I would like to tell you is this Blue Heaven HyperMatteFoundation. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades. Pretty much very nice for Indian skin tones. They say buildable coverage for every shade, and it retails for 200 rupees. 200 rupees, and you get, this is what the outer packaging look like. This is vanilla. Not my shade though. And the packaging looks like this. So let's just see the consistency. So this is the foundation. This is very light for me. Very light. It's not exactly runny and not even very thick. Definitely smooth. Definitely buildable, and I did try this foundation. It is very sheer coverage. With one pump, you will cover your face. If you do not have any scars or any hyperpigmentation, then बहुत अच्छा है foundation. और अगर आपको वो है, तो आप उसको और एक layer लगा के बिल्कुल भी high coverage और full coverage foundation बना सकते हैं. It is completely buildable, and I like the finish. It is very smooth. For 200 rupees, for the price, it is really nice. If you are on a budget, then you should go for this foundation. I definitely feel you should go for this if you have a budget. So the next product is also a foundation concealer stick, and all-in-one makeup stick. Like, you can use it as a foundation, you can use it as a concealer. Again, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades in this, and this is just for 150 rupees. Again, I've received in vanilla shade. You will understand, you'll see how I have worked it out. And I've tried this while doing this makeup look. Let me just tell you, this foundation, first of all, it came broken, but it's okay. I'm so sorry for the background. something is going on outside my door. So this is how the consistency is. Let me just show it to you. It is broken, so I'm a little worried. But I'll show you. First of all, it is very light for me, and this concealer stick is nice. But whoever has dark under eyes, it's very light. In consistency, you can build it up definitely. But I am not a big fan of this concealer because this did not blend well on my skin. I have a texture on my skin, maybe that's why. Because I don't know, I did not like this concealer much. The foundation is super, but the concealer is okay times. Will not recommend you fully. You can, if you want, it is just not 150 rupees. You can just buy and try it out if it works on your skin. मेरे लिए तो इतना काम नहीं किया इसने, तो this is okay. Concealer is okay. Next up, I have compact powder. Again, they have sent me in a vanilla shade. I don't know why they thought I am very fair. जो मैं originally भी नहीं हूँ, पता नहीं. Yeah. So this was the outer packaging cardboard box, and this retails for 165 rupees. 165 for a compact with SPF. Price is good. And the packaging in a square, sturdy packaging. It comes with a mirror, a puff, and a secure plastic sheet. And I've used it, that's why I have to test it. So, my experience using this powder was okay. It gives you a coverage also. So if you have applied a lot of foundation, then you have to be a little bit careful while using the powder. And I have used with the damp sponge. It gave me more coverage by using. But for the price, this product is really nice. I have liked this product. You can definitely try this out because for the price, it is good. The next, I have this brow pencil. Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer Pencil plus Comb in the shade Honey Brown. This comes with a spoolie, and one side they have a pencil. It has like a shape, angular shape, so it is very easy for you to draw a proper line and give that sharp point on your if you have a triangle shaped eyebrows, you can get the point, or if you have a circular one, so you can draw it nicely, angular आपके angle के हिसाब से. It is nicely well pigmented. I've used this and बहुत ही waxy ऐसा formula है, not very sticky, not very dry, somewhere in the middle. तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से आपके eyebrows पे काम करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं इसको. And it comes with the spoolie, so you do not have to carry another brush for your eyebrows. You can nicely comb and just set them in place. Definitely recommend this. A good product. The next product is let us take mascara because I went with a wrong order. I did not know in their Kajal they have eyeliner too. So let us go with my order. So this is the mascara, extreme length mascara, quick dry, waterproof, no clumping, lightweight. And this retails for 150 rupees. Mascara for 150. जो भी mascara 200-300 के अंदर आते हैं ना, मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही होता है. और let us see ये कैसा है. और इसका वॉन्ड जो है काफी बड़ा है, अच्छा है, थिक है. ऐसा ये मस्कारा है, एक सिंपल प्लेन ब्लैक कलर बॉटल पैकेजिंग में आता है. इट हैज सिल्वर इन बिटवीन, लाइक द डिवाइडर इन बिटवीन द वॉन्ड एंड द बॉटल. बॉटल ही बोलते क्यों, क्या बोलते इसको. तो दिस इज हाउ द वॉन्ड लुक्स लाइक. मस्कारा का क्वालिटी आई डिड नॉट लाइक. They have said it is waterproof. Maybe होगा, अभी मुझे उसको वेट टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, फिर पता चलेगा. No clumping, definitely didn't clump while applying the mascara. It is a quick dry mascara, which is no. It did not dry quickly. If you can see, थोड़ा काला हो गया है मेरे आंखों के नीचे. I tried to fix this, but वो मेरा कंसीलर खराब कर रहा था, तो इसीलिए मैंने थोड़ा ऐसे कर दिया. ये टच हो गया था मेरी मस्कारा आईलैश बंद करने के बाद में, तो इतना जल्दी नहीं सूख पाया था। ये लाइट वेट है, डेफिनेटली लाइट वेट है, तो इसलिए ये मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा। बट अगर आपके आईलैशेस बहुत लॉन्ग है और आपको लाइट मस्कारा की जरूरत है तो 150 रुपीज में और क्या चाहिए आपको, ये बहुत ही लाइट वेट रेगुलर वेयर मस्कारा है। तो नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस इंटेंस काजल लाइनर Duo Jet Black. Let me tell you guys, this is their eyeliner and it comes with a felt tip. It's a felt tip sketch pen eyeliner. Let me tell you guys, let me tell you. इसकी प्राइस पहले बता दूँ, 225 में आपको काजल प्लस आईलाइनर मिल रहा है और इसकी थिकनेस इसकी पिगमेंटेशन ये है और you can draw the way you want, light, like thinner, thicker. And guys, ये आईलाइनर मैंने लगाया था मस्कारा लगाने के बाद, ठीक है। बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है मस्कारा के बाद लाइनर लगाना, मुझे तो होता है, और मैं वैसे भी स्केच पेन लाइनर पर्सन नहीं हूँ, तो स्केच पेन से मुझे थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता ही है। बट ये लाइनर क्या स्मूथली लगा था मेरे स्किन पे यार, आई लव इट। दिस लाइनर डेफिनेटली यस, डेफिनेटली इफ यू आर ऑन अ बजट 225 में आपको लाइनर और काजल दोनों चाहिए तो चाहिए, ले लीजिए। और ये काजल है, इसका पिगमेंटेशन देखते हैं। जो मार्केट में काजल आते हैं जो जेट ब्लैक होते हैं, स्मच प्रूफ होते हैं, दे गिव यू वेरी डार्क कोल सॉर्ट ऑफ अ लुक। इसको आप बिल्ड कर सकते हो अगर आपको लाइट चाहिए, जैसे कि आज मुझे थोड़ा लाइट चाहिए था मेरे काजल वाटर लाइन पे, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा लाइट लगाया है। बट इसकी पिगमेंटेशन आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, बहुत ही डार्क है। एंड this product is really nice for the budget. It is really nice. Now the last product is intense matte blue heaven lipstick in the shade Heartbeat 303. So basically it's a red shade. मैं इसलिए मुंह बना रही हूँ because मुझे red lipstick ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है। मैं अपने आप को देख के क्लाउन समझती हूँ। तो this lipstick looks like this. It's a bullet lipstick and the pigmentation is quite nice. It's a blood red shade and the shade name is 303 Heartbeat. और definitely pigmented lipstick है। आपके अगर पिगमेंटेड है तो लाइक थोड़े से डार्क है तो फाउंडेशन लगा के उसके बाद ही लगाना, तो एग्जैक्ट शेड आपको मिलेगा। दिस इज अ हैक, मैंने ये वीडियो में हैक किया। ओके, सो the lipstick is nice, it glides on your lips very nicely, but it is not transfer proof. It is not completely matte. It gives you a matte look, but it is not matte. It is satin matte, I would say, क्योंकि ये transfer proof नहीं है, transfer होती है। बट ये प्राइस में आपको क्या ही चाहिए, अभी लिपस्टिक की प्राइस पे बॉक्स नहीं आया था, तो इसकी प्राइस मुझे 100 रुपीज़ में क्या चाहिए यार, बहुत बेस्ट है। 100 रुपीज़ के लिए बहुत बेस्ट है, बहुत ही बेस्ट है। So yeah guys, this was my review about this product and it's a quick party makeup, like you can just apply some shimmery eyeshadow, apply some highlighter and just take this lipstick and dab on your cheeks and you're good to go for a party. Red lips in a party मुझे नहीं पसंद है, बट जरूरी नहीं मुझे नहीं पसंद तो सबको नहीं पसंद होनी चाहिए। So I hope you must have liked my video and you have appreciated my honest review about these products from Blue Heaven. If you want to buy any product from this, then you can go on my description, check my description and go on to the links I have provided in my description. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, guys, enjoy, stay safe. I love you all.